Ground back is retracting. Stage 1, locks load complete. Stage 2, locks load complete. Ground gas close-ups. Falcon 9 is in startup.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket early Sunday morning from Launch Complex 4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base, loaded with 22 Starlink satellites to be added to the constellation.
LD is go for launch. T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff. Falcon 9, go Starlink, go SpaceX.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
As per usual, the vehicle followed a nominal trajectory.
Power and telemetry nominal. Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
And back chilling in for ignition.
Vehicle is following a nominal trajectory.
We go.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed. Both vehicles are following nominal trajectories.
Stage 1 entry burn. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories. Stage 1 FTS has saved.
Stage 1 transonic. Stage 1 landing burn.
After first stage separation, the booster landed on the drone recovery ship, Of Course I Still Love You.
Landing light deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And back shutdown.
And shortly after, the second stage reached
Nominal parking orbit.
SpaceX does it again. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.